Mastering COBIT. COBIT success demands a 5-stage blueprint for operational excellence. What are the essential stages that their organization should take in order to successfully implement COBIT and achieve operational excellence? To successfully implement COBIT and achieve operational excellence, an organization should undertake the following essential stages. Stage 1. Establish a clear vision and commitment. Define a clear vision for implementing COBIT and achieving operational excellence, and obtain top-down commitment from senior management. This involves establishing a dedicated COBIT implementation team, defining roles and responsibilities, and allocating necessary resources. The team should develop a comprehensive project plan, outlining objectives, timelines, and milestones. Stage 2. Conduct a current state assessment. Perform a thorough assessment of the organization's current state, identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT analysis. This assessment will help identify areas for improvement, prioritize efforts, and establish a baseline for future evaluations. The assessment should cover IT processes, policies, procedures, and current pain points. Stage 3. Define the target state. Based on the current state assessment, define the desired future state for the organization. This involves identifying the required capabilities, processes, and controls necessary to achieve operational excellence. The target state should be aligned with the organization's overall strategic objectives and industry best practices. Stage 4. Develop a gap analysis and roadmap. Conduct a gap analysis to identify the differences between the current and target states. Develop a roadmap outlining the necessary steps to bridge the gaps, including prioritized initiatives, timelines, and resource allocation. The roadmap should be realistic, achievable, and aligned with the organization's overall strategy. Stage 5. Implement COBIT framework and good practices. Implement the COBIT framework, incorporating good practices and guidelines from ISACA. This involves designing and implementing COBIT-based processes, policies, and procedures, as well as defining roles and responsibilities. Ensure that all stakeholders are trained and aware of their roles in achieving operational excellence. Stage 6. Design and implement IT controls and metrics. Design and implement IT controls, risk management, and performance metrics aligned with COBIT. Develop key performance indicators, KPIs, and key risk indicators, KRIs, to monitor and measure process performance, identify areas for improvement, and ensure continuous monitoring and improvement. Stage 7. Establish a continuous improvement culture. Foster a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging employees to identify areas for improvement and suggest innovative solutions. Establish a feedback mechanism to encourage stakeholder input and recognize employee contributions to operational excellence. Stage 8. Monitor and evaluate progress. Regularly monitor and evaluate progress against the roadmap, tracking KPIs and KRIs, and conducting regular health checks. Identify and address any gaps or deviations from the target state, making adjustments to the roadmap as needed. Stage 9. Sustain and refine. Ensure that the implemented COBIT framework and good practices are institutionalized and sustained over time. Continuously refine and improve processes, controls, and metrics based on lessons learned, industry best practices, and emerging trends. By following these essential stages, an organization can successfully implement COBIT and achieve operational excellence, ensuring sustained business value and improving overall IT governance and management capabilities.